This brief video shows how to manage your teachers in digiCOACH. If you're in a classroom, principals and assistant principals can click the Add Staff button here on your digiCOACH dashboard to add a new team member. Click Add Staff, go through the process here of adding a teacher by filling out their name and email address, and click Save. Once you've added a new team member, click Exit and then click this Refresh button to download them to your digiCOACH app. You can also manage teachers through the digiCOACH website on your laptop or desktop. Visit digicoach.com, sign in, and click the Accounts button here in the top right. Here I have a list of my fictitious teachers, and if I needed to add somebody new, I click this Add New User button. Next, I'll fill out my form just like we saw on our tablet, selecting that I want to add a teacher, which campus they support, and adding their name. We also need to include an email address, so I'll add a fictitious one here. If I notify the user of their new account, they will receive an email welcoming them to digiCOACH as a teacher, or if they're an administrator, select to notify them of their account as it will send a link to set up a fresh password. I can also deactivate users here if they're not needed, and for teachers, we can enable peer observations here as well. If we are enabling peer observations, we would want to notify those teachers of their new account so they can create a password and get signed into digiCOACH. I'll click Save, and Molly Jackson has been added to my list of teachers. If I wanted to remove a teacher here that's already in my roster, I click the Edit button to the far right-hand side of my screen, and here I can click Deactivate and save that change. This teacher will no longer appear in my digiCOACH roster the next time I complete a walkthrough and synchronize, or again, I can tap Refresh Content and pull that teacher out of my device right away. Any data collected around that teacher will still be available for you in the cloud reports. So deactivated a teacher simply pulls them off of your roster of observable teachers, but they do remain in your data for future reference. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@digicoach.com or call the number at the top of the screen. We are here to help and look forward to connecting with you. Have a great day.